everybody, Catherine Newman right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Today we're at the brand new 55 plus community, gated community called Woodland Preserve, built by Kolter Homes. And today we're going to check out the Ava model and see what you think about it. But please make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube video so I can keep this information coming out. Let's get in there. So what do you think about the Ava right here at Woodland Preserve, Kolter Homes in this new 55 plus gated community? I mean, can you imagine? Especially when it's cold here. Yes, it does get cold in Florida sometimes, maybe 2 or 3 weeks out of the year, but that would be a lot of fun. I would love to hear your comments about this great floor plan. It's really good for those of you that maybe don't want too much square footage, but you want high-end design, high-end features, 8-foot doors, great views. I'd love to show it to you. Or if you're looking for anything in these areas, Palmetto, Bradenton, Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, I would love the opportunity to chat with you. So make sure you give me a call, and please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep all this great content coming at you. I'm Catherine Newman. See you next time.